How to find IBAN on Revolut Junior. Revolut is a fintech company that offers digital banking services, including multi-currency accounts, international payments, crypto and stock trading, and budgeting tools, all through a mobile app. First, download Revolut application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account. After opening Revolut app, this is the home page. Then click here on top left corner. Here you can see all details about Revolut. Name IBAN BIC. You can copy it from here. That's how you can get IBAN on Revolut. That's it. Thanks for watching.